Good evening, everybody, and welcome. Today was the biggest day of earnings reports we'll get. By and large, the numbers were pretty good, and the market took notice, moving higher. Late this afternoon, two of the biggest tech companies of them all, Microsoft and Amazon.com. And here again, investors mostly liked what they heard, pushing stocks higher after hours. First up, Microsoft, the world's biggest software maker, beating the street estimates for both earnings and revenue. Profits up 17% last quarter to more than $5 billion. That comes out to 62 cents a share, excluding certain items, far more than the 54 cents Wall Street was looking for. And sales topped $18.5 billion. That was also more than forecast. Seema Modi joins us now with more on Microsoft's strong results. Seema, what's the one big takeaway from these numbers?
So, Tyler, the major takeaway here when you take a look at Microsoft's earnings report is that the company is finding ways to offset slowing PC sales. That's been the big concern of late. Its devices business, which includes the Xbox, that business continues to grow. So improving consumer demand in this space, as well as in its enterprise and cloud computing business, that is what helped Microsoft deliver that solid beat.
All right, we're going to come back to you in just a moment, so sit tight. Now on to Amazon.com, where the world's biggest online retailer saw its revenue rise, but it reported another net loss for the third time this year, 9 cents a share, excluding certain items, just as analysts predicted. But revenue came in higher than expected, topping $17 billion for the quarter, and shares took off in after-hours trading. So, Seema, back to you again. What is it that investors were seeing in these numbers today?
Well, I think when you just take a look at that chart, that tells you the story right there. Wall Street doesn't seem to care that Amazon is not profitable as long as it continues to deliver strong revenue growth. Keep in mind, Amazon is in expansion mode, specifically overseas. That trend doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon, especially when traders continue to bid up the stock.
And this, of course, is not the first time in Amazon's history that investors haven't seemed to care about no profits.
Absolutely.
All right, Seema, thank you very much.